Let's check out this wireless Wi-Fi repeater, and also I'll show you how to properly set up and use it as well. So first, let's simply plug it in a power. And the first time you actually power it on, it takes maybe like a half a minute to boot up. So you will see 3 lights here, so simply wait till this light disappears and only these 2 top lights actually stays on. Also on your repeater, also look for any stickers that you have. So for example, you have your IP address over here listed that you can use to connect to this repeater and essentially set it up. So it's like booting up. So let's wait also for the green, basically like LED light over here. So once you see it like this red plus green, we can actually connect to this repeater to set it up. So there are 2 different ways how to actually set it up. So for example, if on your router, the Wi-Fi router, original one, you have WPS button, you can use simply this method essentially. So you would simply click the WPS button on your router, and then also press and hold this button over here, and it should automatically connect to your router and it should be good to go. So again, that's all there is to it. But yeah, if you do not have such or it doesn't work, then we can simply use a phone or also a laptop to set it up. So let me show you how to actually do that. Okay, first let's start on a PC. So essentially I would simply open up my network settings where I can connect to new Wi-Fi networks. And then you see this like repeater actually created its own Wi-Fi network that we can connect to. So we would simply, so I had it already connected. So simply let's click connected. And once connected, if you have your web browser open, it should automatically open up a page similar to this one. By the way, this over here is the newest version of it. If you have the older version, maybe the website would look a bit different. So again, this newest version. Also, if the website doesn't pop up for you, so in your address bar, you simply enter the IP address listed on the back of it here. So you can find the IP address. It's either this one or this one. So you see on the top, you would simply enter, for example, 192.168.111. So either this or this. So try which works for you. So you see, once I actually open up that address, again, I get access over here. Also, some of these like repeaters also are asking for username and password. If it asks, simply enter admin for username and also for password admin as well. So, yep. And then, let's set it up. So in whatever mode you want. So let's set it up as repeater. So it's simply going now to scan all the Wi-Fi networks in your area. So simply wait till it finishes. It takes maybe like a couple of minutes sometimes. Also, if you do not find your Wi-Fi network in the list, make sure your router is actually working in the 2.4 GHz frequency. Again, this is kind of like low-end like repeater, so pretty much like one of the cheapest you can get, and it doesn't work actually in 5 GHz or 6 GHz. So again, so you would probably go in your router settings and again change the frequency to 2.4 GHz if it doesn't find the network. So you see it found my network over here. Also, by the way, if it keeps spinning and not finding your network, again, make sure you are actually connected. Sometimes this repeater actually likes to disconnect itself. So again, make sure you're actually connected. Also, you see you have the manual setup button here as well, if you want to enter your Wi-Fi network details manually here. Okay, so I will simply click on my network here and I have to enter the password of my own Wi-Fi router. So, and then, click next here. Yep, click finish, and basically this like repeater again will finish setup. Again, it might take up to like 2 minutes, so simply wait. So, and once it finished in your network settings, so you see it actually created a new network here. So this is, for example, what mine is called. So EXT at the end essentially. So this one is my original Wi-Fi network, but this is a new Wi-Fi network that this repeater is creating, and I can connect to you. So you see, again, if I want to basically get internet access from this repeater again, so I would connect to this network now. Also over here you can even change some more settings or also reset it as well if needed. Also you have the reset button on the repeater here as well, and also you can even connect to LAN as well if needed. So yeah, overall when it comes to performance for such cheap unit, I think it's absolutely wonderful. Also, yeah, if you maybe need the full menu, also you can maybe pause the video here if you need. Okay. Again, this is the newest version of this device. Maybe it's a bit different if you have the older type. And we also have the different other modes. And you can also essentially do all the setup using a phone as well, so you do not have to have a computer as well. So again, all you do is connect to that like as a repeater, and again enter in the address bar basically this address, and then again you will get the same pretty much window as I showed you. Okay, good luck.